What we know is a drop, what we don't know is an ocean. Live your life as an exclamation rather than an explanation. Truth is ever to be found in the simplicity, and not in the multiplicity and confusion of things. Gravity explains the motions of the planets, but it cannot explain who sets the planets in motion. If I have seen further than others, it is by standing upon the shoulders of giants. Atheism is so senseless. When I look at the solar system, I see the Earth at the right distance from the Sun to receive the proper amounts of heat and light. This did not happen by chance. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. I know not how I seem to others, but to myself I am but a small child wandering upon the vast shores of knowledge, every now and then finding a small bright pebble to content myself with while the vast ocean of undiscovered truth lay before me. No great discovery was ever made without a bold guess. All my discoveries have been made in answer to prayer. Tact is the art of making a point without making an enemy. In the absence of any other proof, the thumb alone would convince me of God's existence. I can calculate the motion of heavenly bodies, but not the madness of people. A heavenly master governs all the world as sovereign of the universe. We are astonished at him by reason of his perfection. We honor him and fall down before him because of his unlimited power, from blind physical necessity, which is always and everywhere the same. No variety adhering to time and place could evolve, and all variety of created objects, which represent order and life in the universe, could happen only by the willful reasoning of its original creator, whom I call the Lord God. To arrive at the simplest truth requires years of contemplation. All knowledge and understanding of the universe was no more than playing with stones and shells on the seashore of the vast imponderable ocean of truth. Poetry is a kind of ingenious nonsense. My powers are ordinary. Only my application brings me success. You have to make the rules, not follow them. A man may imagine things that are false, but he can only understand things that are true, for if the things be false, the apprehension of them is not understanding. Truth is the offspring of silence and meditation. He who thinks half-heartedly will not believe in God, but he who really thinks has to believe in God. If I had stayed for other people to make my tools and things for me, I had never made anything. If two angels were sent down from heaven, one to conduct an empire and the other to sweep the streets, they would feel no inclination to change employment, because an angel would know that no matter what we are doing, it's an opportunity to bring joy. Nature is pleased with simplicity, and nature is no dummy.
Don't forget subscribe this channel.